Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the ASUS Vivobook 15X1504VAP, powered by the new Intel Core i5-120U processor. If you're looking for a stylish everyday laptop for work, studies, browsing, entertainment, and light productivity, this might be one of the best value options in 2026. Design and build. First impressions, the Vivobook 15 looks clean, modern, and professional. It comes in a sleek silver finish that gives it a premium vibe despite being a mid-range laptop. The laptop is lightweight enough for students and office users to carry around comfortably, and ASUS also includes a 180-degree lay-flat hinge, which is useful for sharing content during meetings or classes. Now let's talk about performance. This laptop is powered by the Intel Core i5-120U processor, featuring 10 cores 12 threads boost speeds up to 5.0 GHz. For daily multitasking, this processor performs really well. You can comfortably run multiple Chrome tabs, use Microsoft Office, attend Zoom meetings, stream videos, edit light photos, do basic video editing. The 8GB DDR for RAM is decent for standard users, though heavy multitaskers may eventually want an upgrade if the model supports it. Storage is handled by a fast 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, which means fast boot times, quick app loading, smooth overall experience. Windows 11 feels responsive and snappy on this machine. Graphics are handled by integrated Intel graphics. Display. The laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. You get 60 Hz refresh rate, 250 nits brightness, 16:9 aspect ratio. Connectivity and ports. Port selection is actually pretty good here. You get USB Type-C, 2 USB 3.2 Type-A ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, HDMI audio combo jack. Wireless connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2. So connectivity is modern and future-ready. The keyboard is a Backlit Chiclet keyboard, making typing comfortable even in low-light environments. Battery life. The Vivobook 15 includes a 42Wh 3-cell battery. ASUS also claims fast charging up to 60% in around 49 minutes. One small but important feature is the physical webcam privacy shutter, something many users appreciate for security and privacy.